This weekend I was lucky enough to be part of the Ravine restoration in Highland Park. This is sponsored by the Great Lakes Restoration and is led by the Gary Borger Trout Unlimited organization. And as you can see here, this is the small stream which is heading out of the ravine. This is presently being removed, and the culvert that you see there will eventually be removed. The low flow that you see right now will be increased as all of this rubble is removed and the stream is allowed to return back to its natural habitat. As you look up, you will see what the finished ravine restoration will look like, and there are small pools and vortexes in which the trout and other species will harbor, and it's kind of exciting as a classroom teacher who is running a Trout in the Classroom program to know that in less than 3 years, rainbow trout could be making their way up this stream. There are various other species as well, such as white suckers, the minnows, and the brown trout have even been spotted in this area. So I would encourage you for more information to take a look at our website or email Rebecca Grill at the Highland Park Recreation Office. Thank you very much.